What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. Going to another omakase place down by where the shop used to be on Division Street. Across the street from there, close to Pike. It's called Shhh, like shush. I don't know anything about it. It's relatively kind of new, maybe from like January, maybe like 8 months ago it opened, something like that. And yeah, they have a really good deal. They have 14 course or 18 course. The 14 course is $96. It's got all you can drink omakase with it. The 18 course is, I think, $126. So $30 more, you get 4 more pieces or courses, and you still get the all you can drink. So it's a pretty good deal. And you know, just from what I poked around online, it looks nice. So we'll see how it goes. A lot of omakases in the books now. I kind of know what I like. I know the pieces that I generally tend to like. Usually more on the I like some of the snappers, I like some of the tuna, salmon and trout, always the hand roll. Let's see, let me cross over here. I gotta go down East Broadway. This place, like I was saying, is right near the shop, which is basically, you know, Dime Square, right near Canal Street. What's this guy doing? It's the kind of creeping where he's gonna like pop a U-turn and cut me off. Hate that kind of driving. Yeah, so I think fall is kind of in full swing right now. The weather is mild, real nice, light jacket kind of weather. I got just a hoodie on. See where we at here. This is Rutgers, so I'm going to take this right here and then cut over into the Dime Square area. See if I can creep between here. A little bit tight. Yeah, here we go. We got it. Oh, they don't have the barriers up yet. Usually there's barriers up here. The dinner crowd. Street's always blocked off. All right, let me take this turn here. This is Division. Make some more noise with that keg. And this place should be right on my left up here. Short ride and review. Where is it? Ah, there it is. I see the sign. Sushi. See you on the inside. just stupid. Oh, it's in the back. That's why it's called Shhh.
Hello. For omakase?
Yes, I have a reservation message.
Yeah, I don't like it.
What's the word for it?
I went to this place.
Oh, that's cool. You get to go in.
This is a chemical. you know, the first like you could, there was like kind of degree.
Shush. Shh. I don't know how I feel about the name, but I get why they did it. It's hidden in the back of a little ice cream shop, and you'd never know it's there. It's pretty cool. Well, the sign is out front, so I guess that defeats that. But it is nice, man. They did a good job. The pieces were all unique. There was some stuff I've never had before and never would have thought to order. One of them, that little dish that came out in the beginning that looked like squiggly brains or intestines or something, was actually a cod sperm sack. So yeah, cod cum. Never had that before. It was actually really good. It was creamy, tasty, smooth, not very fishy. I mean, my first time eating cum, so you know, that's an experience. They had some great pieces. The snappers were good. The red snapper, the golden eye, Timmy die, or whatever they are, the names, I can't remember. The first two pieces that came out were great. A lot of good tuna. We had fatty, medium fatty, and lean. All really good. The 3 tuna pieces and the hand roll, great. Let's see, what else really stood out to me? Oh, the chawanmushi, also in the beginning. The that little bowl that had the, you know, it was a covered bowl. That was chawanmushi. It was really, really good. It had crab meat in it. It had uni, sea urchin roe. Man, this road is bumpy as hell. And it's like a almost like a custard kind of texture. Real smooth, like a flan, or I guess you could say like a creme brulee, like that kind of texture made from egg. And it's, man, it's so good. So that, they really started off strong with some interesting stuff. And then obviously high quality pieces, very, very good knife work and preparation, like fish to rice ratio. The rice was good. So I think this place is a good buy. Definitely worth your money, especially if you like to drink sake, because they just keep filling it up. We were on like our second to last piece, and she filled us up again. I was like, whoa, all right, cool. So yeah, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything. You'll have all the pictures, all the details, everything. And as always, a little traffic here. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.